Hey everyone, it is Fun Fact Friday and we are here to share some diffuser recipes using Copaiba. And I have a sidekick today. Who are you? Captain America. All right, so let's talk about diffusers. So I personally love this diffuser. It is the Desert Mist diffuser. You'll take off these pieces, hold this for a second. And if you'll notice here, it looks really dirty. So it looks dirty because I used clear Mexican vanilla in my diffuser. So I'm gonna take some water and I'm just gonna kind of wipe it out as I hit the button. I'm gonna wipe it out so that way it gets all clean, and then we're going to add water to it.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is you add water to the fill line. Then we're going to use a blend using Copaiba. So we're gonna do 5 orange, right, Samuel?
And
5 orange.
Mommy,
I keep hitting the buttons.
Mommy, that's this one.
Okay, you want to do that. So we're gonna do 5 orange, 4, 5. And then we're going to do 3 Copaiba. Copaiba, which that's what we're talking all about this month, huh? Copaiba. 2, 3. And then we're going to actually do stress weight. We're going to do 4 stress weight, and this is Sweet Escape. Then Samuel is holding a little pipette because we're going to make it a little bit sweeter. So let me see it. So we're going to get clear Mexican vanilla, which is behind us. So I just fill it up just a tiny bit, like a half an ml, and we squeeze it out. And this just makes the blend sweeter. That's all it does. Then you're gonna put your lid on. You'll put your top back on, and then now I can turn it on and it will work well. Yeah?
I want
And it's fun. You want it blue?
Yeah.
For what? Because of Captain America? All right, so it's blue. And that is Sweet Escape. And that is 5 orange, 4 stress away, 3 Copaiba. And it smells amazing. And we did add just a little bit more sweetness to it with clear Mexican vanilla. Then you can do a diffuser blend called Beach Bum. It is 4 Copaiba, 3 cedarwood, and 2 lime. Sweet Dreams, 5 lavender, 5 cedarwood, 3 Copaiba. You need to clean and have a really good clean smelling of your house. You could do 5 Copaiba, 4 rosemary, 2 peppermint, and 2 of sage. Then for positive vibes to uplift the atmosphere, you could do 4 Copaiba, 3 lavender, 3 blue tansy, and 2 frankincense. If you want to feel all glamorous, you can do 2 clary sage, 2 ylang ylang, and 1 Copaiba. If you want to lift your spirits and lift the mood also, you could do 4 bergamot, 3 Copaiba, and 2 ylang ylang. And then to breathe easy and to really have a good relieve the tension, you could do 2 Copaiba, 2 lemon, 2 lavender, and 2 peppermint. That is a good fall winter one to diffuse. So that is all I have with you, is just some diffuser recipes, kind of show you how to clean your diffuser out if it looks kind of gunky, and give you a good recipe. All right, Captain America, we're good?
Yeah.
All right.